the color blue. Check it out. It's the color blue, you guys. Oh, check it out. It has training wheels. Yeah, but it's not this cute thing here. Has to go here because you see this. So wait. The flat side over here has to be here, and the reason Zen, you're gonna fall into. Not you see here. So if we do this, it won't fit. So see, you have to push this in because see, it's not fitting because of this. You have to push it in and there. I'm not sliding it. I'm just pushing it in. Like that. It lights up when
Come on. Hey.
Let's jump.
Uh-oh. Charles!
Hi guys. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Love you guys.